Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock Vanguard Zadie in Fortnite. To get this unique outfit and its matching accessories, you'll need to complete a special set of quests. These challenges involve earning account levels within a specific time frame. It's a fantastic opportunity to add a free, reactive skin to your locker. We'll cover all the details, from the main outfit to the extra styles, ensuring you know exactly what to do to claim your rewards. The primary way to unlock Vanguard Zadie is by earning 50 account levels. Remember, only levels gained after the quest period begins will count towards your progress. You can easily keep tabs on your advancement by checking the dedicated Vanguard Zadie Quests section within your Quests tab. This ensures you always know how close you are to securing this awesome new look for your character. Beyond the main outfit, there are also 2 additional cosmetic items to earn. You can unlock Zadie's Blade Pickaxe once you've achieved 15 account levels. Then, at 30 account levels, you'll receive Zadie's Blade Back Bling. What's more, the Vanguard Zadie outfit itself features reactive styles that proudly display your highest achieved rank in competitive modes, adding a personalized touch. To speed up your leveling, focus on completing various in-game quests. Daily, weekly, and story quests are excellent sources of experience points. Participating in different game modes, including Battle Royale, Zero Build, and others, also contributes significantly. Don't forget to tackle milestone and ranked quests, as these often provide substantial bonus levels, helping you reach your goal faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.